Good morning, class. Before we start the class, let us have Miss Era to lead the prayer. So, before you sit down, kindly pick up the pieces of trash that you see under your desk. And after you pick it up, go back to your seat and we will start our class. I know that some of you are already familiar with face value, and value. So before we start, let us have first a review of the face value and value. So let us answer the first table. So the face value of 4 here is on the tens place, and the 2 is on the ones, and the decimal point we read and the face value of 9 is in the tens. Okay, let us have now the next one, the letter C. So you place the 0 on the ones, and you put decimal point, and then 0 again on the tens place, 1 on the hundreds, 6 on the thousands, and 8 on the 10,000s. So you read it at 0 and 168 10,000s. So let's now answer the second table. So the face value of 7 here is hundreds. The face value of 5 is thousands. The face value of 4 is tens. The face value of 2 is ones. And the face value of 9 is tens. The face value of 1 is hundreds. The face value of 6 is thousands. The face value of 8 is 10,000s. The value of each digit, so 700s, you will read it as 0 and 700s. So therefore, we added 0 and then decimal point and then 0, 7. The next one is 5. Let us get the value of the digit. So we will add 3 zeros. Read it as 0 and 0.005 thousands. The next digit is 4, and its value is tens. The next digit is 2. The value of the digit is 0.2. And then the next one is 9. We'll add 2 zeros. We will make a 0 and 9 tens. The next number is 1. You will add 2 zeros and you will read it as 0 and 1 hundreds. Second to the last number is 6. based on the position of it. So let us start first on the left side of the chart. So thousands, it has 3 zeros. Hundreds has 2 zeros. Tens has 1 zero. And ones, it is only the main number or the digit alone. And when it comes to the right side of the chart, you will start on the right. So you will add, from the right you will add 3 zeros. The thousands you will add 3 zeros. And on the thousands you will add 2 zeros. Hundreds, 0, 1 zero, and the tens, the digit alone. And you call this little point here the decimal point. So based on the chart, the place of the 6 is on the 10. So therefore we'll add 60. And the 7, the place of the 7 is thousands. So therefore from the left, we will add 3 zeros. So it will become 0, the decimal point, 0, 0, 7. So it has 3 zeros and then you put the digit number 7. So clearly the place value will help you in giving the value and the place value of a digit in a decimal point. So class, are you now ready to have an activity? Okay, so if you're now ready, let us have this activity. So everyone, please read the direction. Okay, so write the corresponding word form of the following decimals. So follow the step-by-step process. So number 1, we have 12.0367 equal to 9.704. So you will also write the right place value of each digit on this chart. And after that, you will also need to put it into words. Get it, class? Okay, good. So I have here 3 examples of place value of the 3 decimal numbers written in words, and I will discuss how to put it in figures or write it in figures. So the first one we have for 10,000. Okay. So you will add 4 zeros and then so this is how the way you read it is for 10,000. Always remember that you put the main digit or the digit on Okay, so write the corresponding word form of the decimals in each given situation. So I have here 5 situations. And all you have to do is put the decimal numbers into words. So are you ready, class? Okay, good. I will only give you 10 minutes to complete the task. Okay, now let's answer item number 1. So the words will be written as 2 and 15 Goodbye, class. So see you next meeting, and God bless.